Hello and welcome to this short video on how to update your customer profile in your wine investment portfolio. So the first thing you do is go to our homepage, which is InvestIntoWine.com. Go to your browser and type in InvestIntoWine.com. If you find yourself, you happen to be on our homepage for our blog, which is if you via here, you can click blog, or if you happen to find it on Google, then you may see this page instead. You can still click on log on here, or from our homepage you just click login sign up at the top here. If you don't have an account already, you can create a free wine investors trading account by clicking this button here. If you are a registered customer, enter your email address and your password and click on login. Once you see your current portfolio, click on my profile here. Once you've accessed your profile, you'll be able to edit all your contact information here. There's a few questions that you need to answer: the source of funds for your wine purchases, what's the purpose of your wine investment portfolio, and please provide us with a copy of your passport and proof of address. It is important for KYC, bank compliance, money laundering policies, so we do need your passport and your latest proof of address. You can also give us your office address, any other secondary email address, and your secretary's contact information. So it is really important that we have your latest contact information, because if ever there's a movement on your wine investments and we need to advise you about that, or if there's anything that needs to be sold in your wine portfolio, we do need to have your correct contact information so we can reach you as soon as possible if it's urgent. So once you've updated everything, just click save. You can also update a new address. You can add a new address at the bottom. You don't need to touch the shipping addresses, because that's the address where your wine is stored, both in UK and in France, but you can update your billing address. So that's it. Please try to update your profile if you haven't done recently as soon as possible on the site, and thank you for watching.